Hi everyone, I'm here to share my newest kit with you. It's called Fall Blossoms. So I'm really excited about this one. It's actually quite nice. I like it a lot. So I'm just going to get right into it. So here's the first page, and there's the second one. Now if you wanted to, you could print these a few times, fussy cut things. I made it like that so that like you could even cut this flower out. Quite a lot of them are like that. So yeah, I'm just going to continue on. And this is a 36-page kit. It's huge. I just love it. So that's the end of the pages. Now we get into the ephemera. So there's pockets. I did quite a few for you. And of course the big envelope. These are really tall belly bands. I know I'm really close. If I went out further, you wouldn't be able to see it as well. So just giving you an idea. Then the flags and tabs. Flags and washi. And there's different size flags on this sheet, as there is on the other one, but these are the mini folders. Narrow tags. These are my large tags. I printed these on pretty heavy cardstock. I think it's about 110 pound. I didn't double side print. I could have, but I didn't. Here's a lot of washi for you. And this is all one kit. It's not separated into ephemera and, you know, main pages and things like that. It's all one. So you get all 36 pages. Here's some journaling cards. These are envelope folders. Here's the coin envelope here, and the cards are here. Here's a mini envelope, tabs and tickets, and they have the little dotted line for you to follow where to fold. And these are the backgrounds. hard to see. It's got little dots. And this one I made a lighter one. This is the same one, except it's darker. So just depends on what you prefer. Quite a few backgrounds in this kit. And that's the last one. So that is my Fall Blossoms kit. I hope you like it. Thanks for watching. Bye.